on.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's even harder, I think. It's more difficult.
Yeah.
Much more. But it's better to start in this boat. Yeah, right?
He's doing pretty okay. He's doing pretty okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Not getting wet.
Very important also in the single sculpt. First the legs down and then the arms. Yeah.
Yeah, that I discovered already.
Always moving. Yeah, right.
Where the wings are coming.
There are no waves.
Come on, there are no waves.
Are you trying to make the waves? No?
Huh?
Are you trying to make the waves?
Yeah. So I drive around. Oh, oh. No. Well done. Trying to relax. You know, feel comfortable.
How long did it take you to get used to a single board?
1 week. But I went out every day for maybe 2 hours. And you know, I were very young. And
But every day you
7 times. Yeah. And yeah, as I told you, I went, first time I went in the single stall, I was on the surf boat, the surf skip, I told you.
No?
I rolled out behind.
Ah, yeah.
In the water.
In the water?
Yeah. Yeah, in this boat you can feel every mistake.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the problem.
This is purely for the movie, of course. Look at that sunset. It's a nice movie for your wife, Jimmy.
The cameraman.
Yeah. Your turn.
This is our instructor, our coach.
Hi. Yes.
Perfect.
Oh. Make sure that you don't go too deep with your left oar. Just let it drop. Yeah. And remember, only jump into the water when you need my help. When you're asking for it.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're stuck in a fish net or...
Be careful. Every mistake could be bad. Yeah, great. Take your time, be soft with the boat. Yeah.
We are going to the grass.
Yeah, turn around a little bit. And on to the other side.
That was on film. And this too. That's better. And there is tube. Yeah.
Make sure that your arms are in the water the same same time. At the same time, and they come out also at the same time. That's important. And then also first the legs down and then the arms. Legs, arms. Legs, arms. Yeah, right.
And in my case, the right oar was more deeper, and in Tim's, the left one.
But together you're against him.
No,
No.
because it makes even, yeah.
Yeah, both here.
Yeah.
How do you feel? Comfortable?
No.
You want to turn around? And then you can choose. You could roll back to halfway and then change the symmetry, or change now and change another.
No, I roll back.
Okay.
Okay. So you are giving me the challenge to park the boat.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Are you scared?
Lazy, yeah.